Hey guys, I finally got one of my all-time favorite childhood fans. Although, frankly, I wouldn't mind one in a little better shape than this. So this is the first iteration of the SMC Laguna. Technically, it's the second iteration because it has a metal switch housing, and the very earliest ones had a plastic switch housing. And frankly, I don't care which switch housing it has. I just want the version with the lower canopy. I'd like to find both sizes. I have the gold version, as you know, in the museum, but I'm looking in for the brown and brass because that's what I saw as a kid. So I'll tell you my story there. So there's a laundromat that my mom used to drive by. I don't remember where we were going. And I've actually done a video there. When I did the video, it had one of these and one gold line, and then later they had one of these and then one new industrial motor with no blades. But when I was a kid, just had two Lagunas. And we would drive by it but never go in because we had a washer dryer at home. So I never knew what they were. I assumed they were three metal-bladed industrials that somehow someone had affixed a light socket to the bottom of, because the switch housing from the car just kind of looked like a porcelain light socket stuck on the bottom of the motor with no bulb in it. That was what I thought as a kid. And then we were driving somewhere to Chicago. I think we were going to the aquarium, maybe, or the museum in Chicago. It was the same trip that I saw the fans in the Oases for the first time, back when they had tons of stencil Four Seasons. And we stopped at a Dairy Queen in Janesville on the way back, Janesville, Wisconsin. And just randomly placed in one corner of the restaurant, they had one of these. And I thought it was so cool, and I snapped a picture of it. It was over a cooler, like an ice cream cake cooler. Not over any tables. There were no fans over any tables. Just this one fan in that random corner of the restaurant. And of course, when I could drive, I went back to Janesville and tried to find it, and of course, it was long gone. But yeah, I got this in trade with another collector. I actually still owe him some stuff in trade, because he's waiting on some stuff I haven't gotten around to yet, unless he wants something else. But yeah, this was part of a trade, and it was a parts fan. The switch housing was broken and no canopy, and I can't remember what else. So Metal Pete glued the switch housing. He might have already done a video of this fan. I had a spare canopy. And it still needs some work if I was going to hang it anywhere, which I'd love to do. It'd be a possible music room swap if I ever wanted to swap the Sonitaire. But yeah, either I need to make a switch cap for it, or Metal Pete, if you're watching, you should make a switch cap for it. And then also get some self-tapping screws for the switch housing, because the screws that are in it are stripped. The switch housing is stripped, rather. I checked the capacitor because it seemed like it was going a little slow, and the capacitor is a 13 microfarad capacitor, and it measures in spec, so should be good. Here's low on the variable speed. It's quite noisy with the variable speed. Lamp is off, in case you're wondering, because I've been forgetting to turn it off for some of the videos. Which way does it go? Quarter turn. Is it the light bulb? No, it's one of these blade badges. Let's see if I can tighten it down some. If not, just some rubber washers between the blades and the motor would make it. It's this one. This badge, specifically. There's nothing I can do because it's fixing it, so it'll just be noisy for now. Another quarter turn. Another quarter turn takes us to high, of course, silent on high. Unlike some of the early SMCs, these don't fly. They do spin at a respectable speed and move a respectable amount of air. But they don't fly.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, where am I?
You are 0.32 miles. 0.52 kilometers north of the center of Blooming Grove, Wisconsin.
I've never heard of Blooming Grove, Wisconsin, but at least she knows I'm not in Indiana anymore. Okay, power factor of 1. So what I can't remember is this reversible? The variable speed control clicks off. Is this reverse? No. This one is single direction. Okay. Well, do 0 to high there. 0.76. When it gets up to speed, we'll let it spin down this time. Alexa, do I have any Amazon orders arriving tomorrow?
To avoid ruining any surprise gifts, you can choose whether I say names of products being delivered. Should I say them from now on?
Yes.
Okay, I'll say the product names. If you'd like to change this, go to Settings, Notifications, in the Alexa app. A shipment for Nia's order, placed Tuesday, February 6th, should arrive tomorrow. This contains Ecovac Steebot N79 robotic vacuum cleaner with strong suction, for low pile carpet, hard floor, Wi-Fi connected. By the way, I can now send you notifications about future shipping updates. Would you like me to notify you?
Yes.
Great. I just sent you a welcome notification to your Echo devices. To hear it, say, read my notifications.
Read my notifications. Alexa, read my notifications.
One new notification. From Amazon Shopping, thanks for letting me send you delivery notifications. You can always set a do not disturb schedule or disable notifications in the Alexa app.
She didn't really say anything, did she? All that talking and she didn't say nothing. I hear it buzzing, but it's not moving. That's 5. Maybe the bearings on this are a little stiff. There is 6. Alexa, what is the best ceiling fan?
I'm glad you asked. It's all about Hunter Fan 54 inches.
What? Alexa, you're wrong.
Thanks for letting me know.
That's 6. 7. Alexa, what is the best LED light bulb?
I like the Philips A19 frosted light bulb.
Okay, Philips isn't bad. I guess you might be onto something. Alexa, what do I order the most of? This could be bad. It's 8.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Oh. $10. It's a little bit of a pig, as Metal Pete would say. 11. Alexa, who is your favorite customer? 12.
You're definitely in the top 10.
Alexa, who are the others? 13.
The others are an English rock band, signed to Pop Tones
What?
in July 2004.
Alexa, stop.
And they're...
That is not what I was asking. 14. So yeah, if you can't tell, I was changing the location on Alexa before I started this video. 15, because it was annoying me that it would give me the weather for Zionsville. Because, well, long story short, so this isn't an actual Alexa, this is a Sound Logic Buddy speaker. I normally would bring an Alexa with me to Fanimation, so I'd have something to keep me company when I'm pulling all-nighters. And, 17. And, I forgot it this time around, and I went to Menards to buy my supplies, which were light bulbs, pipe fittings, paint, etc. You know, need supplies every time. And they had this on sale for like $50. It was a Alexa speaker, you know, that you could use it for Alexa. You could use it to play Bluetooth. You could use it as just an aux speaker. I was like, well, for $50, that's cheaper than an actual Alexa. So I figured I'd buy it, use it at Fanimation. If I like it, keep it. If I didn't like it, we're up to 20 now. If I didn't like it, then I would take it back when I got home. While I don't like it as much as the actual Alexa, it's got little bugs in it. You know, like, for example, I couldn't get my location right. Sometimes it doesn't respond. Sometimes it doesn't turn off.
I'm not sure how to translate that, but you can enable a translation
21.
skill from Alexa app.
22, 23, 24, 25. What was high? No, it was like 7 something. Well, we still got a ways to go, my god. 30, 40. Yep, never goes over. Not with this box, at least. Okay, I think that's everything. Yeah, so I decided to keep it. The sound quality isn't as good as an actual Alexa, but an actual Alexa costs over $100.
Would you like to hear some classical?
No, Alexa. God. Seriously, Alexa, you're not listening very well.
Should I play some classical?
Alexa, no. It's worse than my kid. Okay, well, I'm going to do a few more fans tonight. Thanks for watching.